Today, I'm showing you how to get Adobe Animate for free, safely and officially. Start by checking the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the official Adobe Animate download page, the safest and most reliable way to get the program. From there, you can start your free trial, giving you full access to the complete version of Animate. That means every tool, from frame-by-frame animation to character rigging, vector brushes, and motion tweens, is unlocked. You'll need to sign in with your Adobe ID or create one. It's quick, and Adobe only asks for payment info to verify your account. As long as you cancel before your trial ends, you won't be charged a cent. Once you download and install through Creative Cloud, you're ready to animate. You can work on character loops, cartoons, or even interactive HTML5 animations, all using the same professional tools that studios rely on. And there you have it, Adobe Animate, officially free to try, fully functional, and completely safe. Use the link in the description to start creating your own animations today.